Question: the air is a mixture of number of gases. The major components are oxygen and nitrogen with approximate proportion of 20% is to 79% by volume at 298 Kelvin. The water is in equilibrium with air at pressure of 10 atmosphere. At 298 Kelvin, if the Henry's law constants for oxygen and nitrogen at 298 Kelvin are 3.30 into 10 to the power 7 millimeter and 6.51 into 10 to the power 7 millimeter respectively, calculate the composition of these gases in water. Percentage of oxygen, volume percentage of oxygen is given as 20%. Volume percent of nitrogen is given as 79%. Applying the gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. R is the gas constant, and if pressure and temperature are constant, then volume is directly proportional to number of moles. तो यहाँ पे जो वॉल्यूम परसेंट गिवन है इसको मोल परसेंट भी ले सकते हैं. So it can also be said that the mole percent of oxygen is 20%. The mole percent of oxygen, that is 20%, can also be written as 20 by 100. So यहाँ पे 20 क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा moles of oxygen, और 100 क्या हो जाएगा, total number of moles. तो moles of oxygen divided by total number of moles क्या होता है, this is actually mole fraction of oxygen. Applying the same logic, mole fraction of nitrogen is 79 by 100. So this is the mole fraction of oxygen and mole fraction of nitrogen. और जो total pressure given है, the total pressure is 10 atmosphere. तो partial pressure of oxygen कितना हो जाएगा, mole fraction of oxygen multiplied by total pressure. तो ये हो गया 20 by 100 multiplied by 10. तो ये pressure आ जाएगा, 0 will cancel and this will be equal to 2 atmosphere. अब यहाँ पे यूनिट को मिलीमीटर्स ऑफ मर्करी में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे बिकॉज KH की वैल्यू मिलीमीटर्स ऑफ मर्करी में है. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 into 760 millimeter of mercury. 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury. Similarly, partial pressure of nitrogen is equal to 79 by 100 into 10. तो ये हो जाएगा 7.9 atmosphere, and this is also equal to 7.9 into 760 millimeter of mercury. Now partial pressure of oxygen is equal to Henry law constant for oxygen multiplied by solubility of oxygen in the solution. XO2 represents the solubility of oxygen in the solution. तो solubility of oxygen in the solution कितना आ जाएगा, partial pressure of oxygen divided by Henry law constant for oxygen. तो putting the values, partial pressure of oxygen है 2 into 760 millimeter of mercury divided by Henry law constant for oxygen है 3.30 into 10 to the power 7. Solving ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी 4.61 into 10 to the power minus 5. Solubility of oxygen in water or composition of oxygen in water is 4.61 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is actually the mole fraction of oxygen present in water. Similarly, partial pressure of nitrogen is equal to Henry law constant for nitrogen multiplied by concentration of nitrogen in water or solubility of nitrogen in water or mole fraction of nitrogen in water. From this, mole fraction of nitrogen in water or composition of nitrogen in water is equal to partial pressure of nitrogen divided by Henry law constant for nitrogen. तो ये आ जाएगा, putting the values 7.9 into 760, ये हो गया partial pressure of nitrogen divided by Henry law constant for nitrogen given as 6.51 into 10 to the power 7. Solving, this is equal to 9.22 into 10 to the power minus 5.